Hello friends, welcome back to another edition of Java Learning. Today our topic is series printing in Java, and we are going to learn some simple series, how to print it. Okay, now there are different series, like the first one I'm printing the first n natural numbers, then I'm printing the odd numbers. Okay, here it is 100, 90, 80. The loop is going in descending order. If you see the fourth one, it is actually 1 square, 2 square, 3 square until n terms I'm going to print. This is actually square of natural numbers. Next one is cube of natural numbers till n terms I'm printing. And the sixth one is square of natural numbers minus 1. 1 square minus 1 is 0. 2 square, that is 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 square, 9 minus 1 is 8, and so on. Till n terms it will go. So we're going to use, any loop in Java. We prefer to use for loop for this simple series programs. It will be easy for you to understand also. So let us move to our editor, Java editor, that is BlueJ. Okay, so this is actually the comment that I have written on the series, because it will be easy for me to look and write the program. The first one is first n natural numbers. So public static void main int n. Where it will stop, I have taken the value. For int I is equal to 1. It is starting from 1, right? So this is the start value, and how long it will go? I less than equal to n. It will go till n. When the loop is in ascending order, you give less than equal to n. And how it is increasing or decreasing? Now it is increasing by 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, and so on. So you have to give what? I plus plus, or you can write I equals I plus 1. Then you print the values. System.out.println. You print the value of I, and if you want to print it horizontally, then you give what? Print. And you print tab space. This is a escape sequence. If you don't know about escape sequence, you can have a look to my video, that is escape sequences in Java. So put a semicolon, and then you go to the next step and close the loop. Now what you do? Compile the program, and let us now see the output. So it is asking for n value. Let us give 20, and this is actually starting here. I have to scroll towards the left because I have given tab space for that. It's giving a lot of spaces in between. Okay, so this is actually the output. Clear the output screen. Go back to our program. Here only I'm going to write the second program. Now this is actually printing what? 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. So starting from 1 only, and it is stopping at n value. But what is happening? In between 1 plus 1, then 3 is there, so it is plus 2. Every time it is increasing by 2, and this time I'll not give tab but only one space. compiled. Now I'll give a value int n, that is where to stop. It is 30. So this is my output screen. It is, within 30, 29 is the last odd number. So that is getting printed. Let us clear the screen for the next output. And let us write the third program, which is interesting. It is going in descending order, starting from 100. And when it is in descending order, the condition also will change to more than equal to 0, because it is stopping at 0. Here I don't need the parameter. Okay, int n I don't require, but for the next program I need it, so I'll let it be there. It is decreasing by 10, 100, 90, 80 and so on. So let us compile. And run the program. I don't need this value, but still I'll give some value. This will be of no use. My stop value will be at 0, which is given in the program itself. So 100 to 0 is getting printed, decreasing by 10. Clear the screen and then go to the editor for the next program, which is square of natural numbers. I will count 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, but while printing I will print square, that is I into I, right? And this loop is also in ascending order, so it will go less than equal to n and it will increase by 1. So I is equal to I plus 1 or I plus plus. And while printing, you will print an expression, that is I into I, right, and a space. So let us compile. And let us see the output. Let us give what value? 10 only. Okay. And this is the output. Got it? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 10 square is 100. Now let us write the next program. Which is cubes of natural numbers. Okay. So in this program only one change, I into I into I. That's all. Compile and you just run the program. Giving here 10 only. So here actually the output starting from 1, 8, 27, 64. In my last screen was not actually rubbed. So let me do one thing, clear the screen and run the program once more. Get the value 10 and now see the output. 1 cube, 2 cube, 1 cube minus 1, 2 cube minus 1 and so on. Right? Cubes of, oh sorry, it was 1, 8, 27. So it was actually cubes of natural numbers. Now let us do the last one, that is 0, 3, 8, 15 and so on. That is square of natural numbers, square of natural number minus 1. We will count 1 square, that is 1, minus 1 would be 0, 2 square would be 4, minus 1 is 3 and so on. So here inside the loop there will be a change. Here counting will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, but it would be I into I minus 1. Let us now compile. And now run the program. Give value 10 only. Let us see. Okay. So square minus 1. 1 square minus 1 is 0. 2 square minus 1 is 3, and so on. 10 square, that is 100 minus 1 is 9, and so on. Let us clear the screen. Go back to our editor. Now friends, let us do one interesting program, because I feel this is quite interesting, so let me share with you all. It is 5, 25, 125, 625, 3125, and so on till n terms. Rather, I'll start from 1, 5, 25, and so on. So it is 0. 5 to the power 0 would be 1. Then 5 to the power 1 would be 5. 5 to the power 2 would be 25, and so on. Right? So this is quite interesting. So you can use logic in so many different ways. So here you will have to use this starting from 5, 25, 1 to 5. Rather, in fact, if it starts from 0, if the loop starts from 0, let me write system.out.print part. Okay. Here you will understand what exactly is going on. I'm going to use math.pow, and math.pow, all of you know that it returns a double value, so that will be converted into int, right? And what it will print, math.pow (5 to the power I). 5 to the power 0 right now will be how much? 1, isn't it? So it will start from 1, 5, 25, and so on. So here it goes, the correction. Yes. And let us put the brackets properly here in the print statement, otherwise it will give you wrong output. Close it. Math.pow. Okay, so it is converting into integer and it's giving you the integer value, right? And next time it would be 0 plus 1 is 1, 5 to the power 1 is 5, then it would be 5 to the power 2, that is 25, and so long. I mean, in this format only it will go till n. Now let us compile. Okay, one error I expect. Yes, bracket 1 extra I have to give, because here math.pow is there, but outside I have given one bracket, so here one bracket will be closed. Yeah, now compile. No syntax error. Now you run the program. So this is the output screen. 1, 5, 25, 1 to 5, 6 to 5, and so on. I hope all of you have understood this series programs. These are simple series. Okay, keep watching.